Anti-snoring pillow. A loved one's snoring can drive even the most patient person crazy. What shall I do? Accidentally wake up the snorer with a careless movement and try to fall asleep quickly in a short moment of silence? Or maybe there are more humane options. For example, the special anti-snoring pillow Motion Pillow 3 from 10 Minds. There's a special sensor in the pillow that is triggered by snoring sounds and transmits a signal to other sensors that can activate 4 airbags located inside the main pillow. Thanks to this, the position of the snorer's head changes without disturbing his sleep, and snoring disappears or at least decreases. The pillow will give a sound and peaceful sleep not only to the person who snores, but also to those around them.